Hola, nice sunny day. Finally stopped raining. A couple of seedlings. Actually got basil in here, but the soil was filled with pumpkin seeds and they just started sprouting. The Italian kale is finally taken off after all this rain. Tomato plant. Celeriac. Carrot. Another tomato. I think that's okra. Pumpkin. Trying to interplant. If they get too crowded, I can always just harvest some of the kale. But the Italian kale is finally looking good. Coriander, a few bees. Actually full of flies. Russian kale, been harvesting it. Moved one out to thin it out. It's white turnips. More kale along that side. These are new seedlings of Russian kale. They're starting to take off too. Swiss chard. Brown berries, I think. Moved Russian kale over here. Nice to finally have the sun out again. Some kale that's going to seed, flowers. New bed here. I threw some baby bok choy. Actually, collards, collard greens. Let's see, over here, these are purple lady bok choy. Very cool looking. Threw them in here as tiny seedlings. And actually doing all right. This is buckwheat, ruby buckwheat. Starting to do all right too. Yep. More Swiss, Russian kale, bees. Kale is going to seed. Those are all seeds, seed pods. Full. As soon as they dry out, collect them. What do we got? Clover. Trying to cover the ground. Okra. Starting to flower. Pretty sure this is okra. We'll find out once these flowers start blooming. Down there is turnips and collards. Medlar. Pumpkin's starting to take off. Tomato plant. A little disorganized, but that's alright. Kohlrabi. These are finally starting to do good. They was kind of sitting still for a while. Rain is really helping them out. These flowers are cool. I think they're called Alyssa. Pumpkins here just to cover the ground. Persimmon tree already has flowers. It's starting to open up. Very nice. Down there is the avocado. A few beds I made. Another pumpkin. Going to try to set up some beds like this so it has drainage and it's easy to move around. Nice fig, nice and green. A couple pumpkins, beets, some carrots mixed in here, anise. Growing wild, but I don't mind. Another pumpkin. Another pumpkin. Over here I actually put, these are purple sunflowers. There's more of them. I'm not sure how tall they get, but it'd be cool to see them climb up. There they are. Purple sunflowers. Looking forward to seeing those. Weeds are filling in, but that's alright. Hopefully the pumpkins can shade them out. More sunflowers, pumpkins, finally, after all this rain. Ah, weeds. I'll grab some of these for the rabbits. These are potatoes. I'm hoping these pumpkins can trellis up these plastic little nets, fencing. More potatoes. These are looking pretty good. Ah, there's a shot of the avocado. Nice new leaves. Orange flowers. Kale. Oh, there's a tomato plant in there. Some more Russian kale. Ah, here's one. I gotta weed this one. This one's in a good position to climb up. Weed that later. Bees are just covering these flowers. It's good to see. I'm gonna let my other kale flowers, some kale, extra kale plants I had. Actually, it's collard greens, collards. Yeah, throw them out here just to see them grow. Turnips, a little slug damage, but still should be all right. Let's see. There's one. That's a good one, actually. Wow, look at that. Guess what that's what they call multi-sowing, huh? A few more. That's pretty good. Gotta love the turnips, how fast they grow. Swiss chard, flowers again. Some tomatoes in there. Gotta thin them out. Yeah, the weeds, pretty crazy. But what can you do? Gotta work with them. Let me cut through here. But these are definitely looking good. These are the onions. Clover underneath. Clover's filling in nice. Onions, garlic. This is a shady area because of the swale, but still produces something. White turnips. It's supposed to be sweet. All right. The rabbit had 6 bunnies, which is pretty cool. Really hazy out. Yeah, we just had nothing but rain. through some pumpkins between here. Getting crowded by the Swiss chard, but a couple tomatoes in there too. Extra plants, so I figured might as well just throw them in. Comfrey. There you go. There's another one over here.